Hello friends. As we know, chikungunya is a viral disease that is transmitted to human by the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. An infected Anopheles mosquito bites a person and through its saliva injects the virus into the blood. These viruses then travel to the liver where they mature and reproduce. This mosquito can be found biting throughout daylight hours. Chikungunya is diagnosed by blood test. Blood test is the only reliable way to identify chikungunya, since the symptoms are similar to much more deadly dengue fever. There is no vaccine or medicine to treat chikungunya. Treatment is focused on relieving the symptoms. Chikungunya typically starts with one or more of the following symptoms, like chills, fever, vomiting, nausea, headache, rashes, and joint pain. The fever can reach up to 104 degrees Celsius. Severe joint pain is the main and the most problematic symptom of chikungunya. In some infections, no symptoms are seen, and this behavior is seen predominantly in children. Joint pain may last for about a week or two in most of the patients, but in some patients, the joint pain can persist for months or even for years. Usually, chikungunya patients experience the ill effect of chronic joint pain even after the disease dies down. You can massage your fingers or joints to get relief from this pain. To make this oil, take 2 spoons of coconut oil, 1 spoon of castor oil, add 3 garlic cloves and a pinch of cinnamon powder and 3 balls of camphor. Heat this mixture and keep this oil in a bottle. Remember, apply warm oil every time. It will definitely reduce your joint pain. Second one is, add 2 pinch of cinnamon powder, that is dalchini, to 2 tablespoons of castor oil and heat it. While using this oil, warm it and apply it on the painful joints. It can be used for up to 3 days. Apply this oil on painful joints thrice a day. You can also apply garlic paste or clove oil with pepper wrapped on the painful joint for providing relief from pain. Cool compress. Take some ice cubes and wrap it up in a little hand towel. Press and hold the towel over the joints for a while. Cool pack is the best method for decreasing inflammation, pain, and joint harm. Next, to make this medicine, take 2 glasses of water, add 7 leaves of tulsi and some ginger. You can also use dry ginger. Add 4-5 pieces of peppery and a piece of jaggery, that is good. Boil the mixture, sim down the flame and heat the mixture till it becomes half. Take this water 2 to 3 times a day for 3 days. Another herbal concoction. To make this, heat 1 glass of water, add 1 teaspoon of carom seed, that is ajwain, some dry grapes without seeds, add 5 to 6 leaves of neem, 10 leaves of tulsi. When it comes to a boil, lower the flame and let it continue to simmer for some time. Then take it out of the flame and pour it in a glass without straining. Have this medicine 3 times a day, half an hour after taking food. Do not discard the residue in liquid. Chew and swallow them while you are drinking. Have it when it's sufficient hot. Both the concoction will help to increase the platelets count and reduce the joint pain. You can also take papaya leaf juice. Since there is a rapid fall in platelet count when one has chikungunya or dengue, papaya leaf extract is highly recommended. Papaya leaf remedy is found to be highly effective in improving the platelet counts. within 3 hours of consuming it. All you need is 2 papaya leaves after removing the veins and stem. Grind it to a smooth paste and strain it to extract the juice. You may get around 2 to 3 tablespoons of juice which you can consume. Have this for 2 to 3 days. Consume tulsi leaves to reduce the fever and to make your immune system strong to fight this disease. Ashwagandha and Shilajit can also helpful to get relief from this pain. Eating raw carrot as a salad or otherwise is helpful in increasing the immune resistance of people. It protects them from complications such as joint pain. It is important to maintain a healthy lifestyle to get recovered from this disease. Take a healthy diet includes fruits, sprouts, green leafy vegetable and drink lots of fluid. It will help to prevent dehydration and patient will recover soon. Coconut water. It is best home remedy for chikungunya. Coconut water does not cure the disease, but it helps the patient in fast recovery. It is very good for liver and chikungunya virus develops here after infecting the body. Coconut water detoxifies the liver and that is helpful in fast recovery of patient. Next is stew peppers. Stew peppers are rich in capsaicin and helps in treating chikungunya. Capsaicin is rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Next, turmeric. Turmeric is one of the best home remedy for a large group of disease. Turmeric contains curcumin, a solid antioxidant which displays anti-inflammatory attributes. It makes turmeric an effective home solution for curing symptoms of chikungunya. You can consume turmeric with milk. Grapes. Grapes taken with a cup of milk gives relief from some of the severe symptoms of chikungunya. Make sure that the grapes are seedless and dry. Ginger. Another solution for a large group of burdens. Ginger also helps relieve inflammation. Vitamin C. Vitamin C has numerous antioxidant properties. These properties make it a perfect remedy for chikungunya. It helps flush poison from the body. The vicinity of vitamin C triggers the action of vitamin E, which is vital for the decrease of pain and inflammation. Leafy vegetables. Leafy greens are one of the best home remedy for inflammation and pain. Vitamin E and iron are heavily found in green leafy vegetables, among other supplements. Vitamin E shows antioxidant attributes that helps in reduce pain and inflammation. You can use Epsom salt in lukewarm bathing water mixed with neem leaves. It will ease your body pain and give a relaxation feeling to you. Take proper rest. Chikungunya patients need a lot of rest. The fever leaves the patient really weak, so adequate rest is essential. You must take some precautions. To prevent mosquito bite and mosquito breeding at an individual level, the following measures should be adopted. Wear full sleeves clothes and long dresses to avoid body exposure to mosquito. To avoid daytime biting, use mosquito repellent such as coil, creams and mats. Use mosquito nets. Use window nets which prevents entry of mosquito inside the house. Drain water from water cooler tanks, barrels, drums and buckets regularly. You can also use herbal remedies to avoid mosquito bites. Mix clove oil with neem oil and apply on your skin. It will work as a mosquito repellent. After applying this oil, you can avoid mosquito bites for 4 to 5 hours. Apply clove oil mixed with equal amount of coconut oil will also helpful. Apply tulsi leaf extract on your skin will also prevent mosquito bites. So friends, these all are very effective and good home remedies for chikungunya. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel for more special videos. Thank you.